Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be going through my Etoro portfolio. I'll be discussing what stocks I currently hold in the portfolio, also why I hold these particular stocks and what's the plan with this portfolio moving forward. But before going through the portfolio, I want to go through the statistics. For August, it's been up around 3.6%. There's still one trading day left in August, which is on Monday. Hopefully the portfolio doesn't fall too much, or hopefully it goes up. But roughly, I can expect the return for August to be around 3 to 3.6%. For the year, we're up around 11.27%, which is in the last 3 months. Also, the risk level has been maintained at a 4, which is the risk level that I wanted to maintain for this particular portfolio. I wanted to have it anywhere between 3 to 5, nothing higher than a 5. And the reason for that is that in this portfolio, I'm looking to more hedge and be conservative because I want to have this as a long-term portfolio. I really want this portfolio to compound over time rather than just go for higher returns. Going back to the portfolio, I've arranged the stocks in the highest percentage of profit attained. And right on top, we have Zoom. We've been in Zoom for the past around 3 months now, which is perfectly in line with the strategy that I have. So if you want to go through my strategy, you can see it in the bio. Over here, it basically mentions that I try to find stocks that have the highest potential to grow in a 1 to 3 month time frame. And also, I like to hedge my portfolio using ETFs. So if I'm bullish on the market, you'll see me hedging using SPY. If I'm expecting a little more of a bearish sort of cycle come through, then you'll see me holding an ETF such as TLT. The reason I don't use something like TQQ is because I don't like to engage in inverse ETFs or leveraged ETFs. I prefer to have a portfolio that's without any leverage and doesn't even use any leveraged ETFs. So going back to the stocks in the portfolio, we have Zoom. We've been in this position for 3 months now. It's given a pretty fantastic return of around 62.96%. You can see that the amount invested in this particular position in Zoom is a lot lower than the other positions. This is because I've been continuously taking profit, which is basically risk management. So as the position has gone higher and given more and more returns, I've been booking the profits. And that's why my cash balance is so much higher right now at 63.33%. Going to the second position, which is GME, GameStop. I've made another video about GameStop where I think that the stock could definitely go up 300 to 500%. Anywhere from December to March, and the reason for that being a short squeeze. The third stock that we have in the portfolio is Meli, which is Mercado Libre. For those who aren't familiar with Mercado Libre, it's basically the South American Amazon. This company is actually focused on Latin American market. It's got a 40% increase in revenue year over year. It's a great business model, and as a trend towards online shopping grows in Latin America, we will see this company definitely increase its profits and also its return to shareholders. I've been in this particular position for around 2 months now, and as we can see, the return has been quite good at 18.94%. The next stock in the portfolio is Dexcom, DXCM. Dexcom is a company that produces glucose monitoring devices for diabetes patients without the need to draw blood. The reason I was bullish on this stock is because they have a new device called the G6 Pro. I was expecting the news of the new device to drive the stock price much higher in the coming few months, but it hasn't really gone up as much as the other positions have in the portfolio. I've been in Dexcom since around 3 months now, and you can see compared to Zoom, it's only got 9.45%, whereas Zoom has gone up 62.96%. The last position that I have in my portfolio is the SPY ETF, which is the S&P 500 ETF. And the reason for this is just for hedging purposes. Now, I also consider cash as a position in my portfolio. It's currently at 63.33%. What that implies is that I'm looking out for new or better opportunities in the market. If I do find them, I'll definitely be allocating a lot more into the positions as opposed to holding just cash in the portfolio. Like I mentioned earlier, my main goal with this portfolio is not to get the highest return, it's to be consistently profitable annually. I'm trying to make sure that I don't have any negative years with this particular portfolio. I want this portfolio to be consistently profitable for the long term. That's my goal. I hope that me sharing my portfolio is helpful to you and gives you a better idea about what to look for when you're looking at stocks to buy to gain in the short term. for a couple of months. If you like the video, do hit like, hit subscribe. That really helps out the channel. And thank you for watching.